So we got a little project today. You know, when you total transparency, when you live on a farm or developing and building out an urban farm, and you have no garage, and when you have no pole barn, you make do with what the best that you have. And my wife and I, we both like to save things. We know that there's future use for a lot of this material. These are all things that we've collected. This actually, this is a cool piece that we're going to repurpose. It was a project my dad started. It's a big window frame, and it's got glass on here, and it can be used as decoration. So we're going to look at this. What can we do with it? But today we're going to get all of this cleaned up. The goal is that we can park a vehicle here. The goal is to create a definitive border with these railroad ties that we have for the orchard. And another goal, just found this. There's a new critter. My guess is it's a rabbit who's created a home here. And being a realtor, we're going to relocate, going to terminate, and end that lease. That was just put there the other day. Like, this is within the last 2 days. This is the kind of stuff. This is a different video. We're gonna move on. And the orchard out here, we're gonna create a definitive border with these railroad ties. This is a workstation that I used. This is cardboard that we have in these holes and around the base of this tree in this orchard. But it's cleanup day, and we're going to get this all under the tarps. We're going to screen it from the sun. We have morning sun that hits this, so it's nothing really too bad. But we're going to get this enclosed and get this cleaned up and continue on with the projects back here as far as the aesthetic side of things. So that's what's going on today, everybody. Take care and have a great day.